Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see a Microsoft Word mobile overview. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So first of all, download Microsoft Word from Play Store and just open it. And you will see this is the first page where you can see the recent files. You can just sign in to access the document with OneDrive. And here the shared document and here the open. So you can browse your mobile storage document from this device option and click on this plus symbol on the top to open a new document. Click on the blank document. So here you just want to click on this arrow on the bottom, which actually opens the home section, so where you can find all the tools that you want. And then you just want to click on home section, so you can just switch between insert option. You can see all the insert options are here: draw option, layout option, and review option, and also the view option. So you can just customize using this particular position of the options everything here to the insert, draw, layout, and also the home section. The home section have a basic fonts, numbering, bulleting, and styles like that. And in insert section you can see the table, picture, shapes, text box, and links that you want to insert it, whatever the equations, and also the footnote. And in draw section you can easily draw and make a cycle like that. And layout section you can fix the margin, orientation, size of the page, whatever that you want. And you can just easily switch between here. You can just turn off the mobile overview, whatever that in the here, and click on this three dot. You can see save as PDF, save as the document like that, and every options are here. I think this is the basic overview of the Microsoft Word mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.